Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Copilot in Windows 11. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your start menu right here at the bottom left or at the center of your screen. Alright, right click on it and go to settings. Now once it's open, just go ahead and go to personalization. Click on it. Now in here, go ahead and locate taskbar, which is right here. Click on it. If you can see Copilot right here, just go ahead and disable it. Alright, for example, this is Copilot. I have already disabled it. Just go ahead and click on this one right here, or the toggle to toggle it off. All right. Now, if you want to, let's say, for example, completely disable the Copilot, well, you're going to want to have to go to your Registry Editor for that. All right. Go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Regedit. Now, once the Registry Editor pops up, go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now, in here, I'll show you. We're going to start from scratch. All right. Just go ahead over to H key current user, double click. Now in here, go to software, double click. Now go to policies, double click. In here, select Microsoft, double click. Now head over to Windows. All right. Now in here in Windows, just right click on it and go to new. Now select key. All right. As you can see, we've just added a new folder. What we're going to do is just name it to Windows Copilot. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. Now we're going to double click on it. Now go to the right side, which is right here. Right click on a blank space, hit on new. Then just select the word value right here. Click on it. Now we're going to name it turn off Windows Copilot. All right. Hit on enter. Just double click on it and change the value. Delete 0 and change it to 1. Once done, just hit on OK. Close this one. Restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.